Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. The Bonk chart has still not made another low, so that means we are holding support. Okay, we're holding support for one more high in this 5-wave move to the upside that might be unfolding. Today the market is again a little bit more exciting because we see a little bit of green, and we're still watching for one more high here on this chart to form a 5-wave pattern from this low. As you might remember from previous updates, I'm looking for a potential impulse here to be completed. At least the potential is there. Bonk, obviously one of the coins that rallied substantially from the 2023 lows, formed, in my opinion, a 3-wave rally to the upside as per the white scenario. Then we can say here WXY. Yeah, maybe we get one more low. That is only one of the potentials. Maybe the wave 4 is already in. Different potentials. It really depends on whether the market can now form a first impulse to the upside from the April low. Because 5 waves up from the April low indicate that the wave 4 indeed bottomed here. And it would at the same time indicate that we can add the next support zone to the chart, which would provide the next, well, Elliott wave, let's say, pullback trade setup. Good potential to the upside still here regardless, even if we form one more low in the orange support region, the lower support region, defined between 133.107 and 45357. This is the support region between the 23.6 and the 50% Fibonacci retracement for the 4th wave, but we already reached that support area twice, 3 times, several times. And it's possible that due to the overshooting nature of that corrective wave here, that this correction finished on the 13th of April, because we're dealing with a likely WXY structure in the yellow count. In this scenario, if we get an overshooting, in this case X wave, you could also call that a B wave, then the last wave down of the correction sometimes doesn't form a lower low. It doesn't form a low below the one, in this case, from the 7th of January. So therefore, you know, this is a possibility. The low could be in. We reach that trend reversal area. The market might be turning around. In the process of turning around, already rallied substantially, but for a reliable assessment and confirmation that indeed wave 4 bottomed, I need those initial 5 waves up. You know the routine. And we completed already a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, maybe the wave 4 already completed. It might still stretch out a little bit. Maybe we're forming something that you might call a bit of a pennant here, or a yeah, it's not a flag, you know, it's more like it's just a triangle consolidation pattern. So it's possible that we're forming here this 4th wave, again, possibly as a triangle pattern. Can't really confirm that because we don't have enough waves for a triangle, but this could be a 4th wave low on the 1st of May. And I mean, as long as that one is holding, it's absolutely possible that we have started the 5th wave to the upside. And if we've started that 5th wave to the upside, then it should reach, obviously, a price between those two red lines, between the last high, 295.0, yeah, okay, 295.990 roughly, and here 368.632. So that's a great area for one more high to form. We did add all these Fibonacci levels as next micro levels to watch to the chart before, especially the one here, the 61.8 extension level is relevant at 349.250. That would be the ideal level. From all of these, this would be the ideal level and an ideal target for that 5th wave to the upside within a larger 1st wave within that yellow scenario. So we have to be a bit patient. It's possible, as I said, that this 5th wave is already unfolding. It doesn't really, I mean, this could be a 1-2 setup, but then it would be massive. So we would need to look at that because this is a bit too large for a wave 1 in wave 5. Then, you know, you might think, okay, maybe it's doing an ABC in wave 5, but then this here should also be an ABC, but it doesn't really add up. So yeah, we have to keep the door open for higher prices as long as the orange micro support area is holding. The wave 4 might turn into a triangle if it continues to form lower highs, higher lows, but that would still allow for upside continuation. That's my update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.